Good morning. This is your Nabonita Miss, and today we're going to start the new story, The Wise Judge. In this story, there are two main characters, a poor washerman and a oil merchant. One day, a poor washerman loaded a bundle of laundered clothes on his back. He had to go from one village to another village to return the washed clothes and to pick up other clothes to be washed. He was too poor to keep a donkey, so he had to carry the load on his aching shoulders. As the days stretched on, the washerman grew tired and sat down to rest. He rested the heavy bundle of clothes on a large rock and fell asleep in the shed. After some time, he was shaken out of his sleep by a thunderous fluttering of hoofs and a shower of stones. As he rubbed the sleep out of his eyes, he saw an oil merchant and a donkey rushing downhill. The merchant was trying to make his donkey work faster, despite the load on its back. The donkey slipped on loose stones and sent the washerman's bundle rolling downhill, along with a jar of oil that came off its back. The bundle went some distance till it landed in a puddle of oil. The washerman let out a cry of despair. Look at the picture. After that, the washerman and the oil merchant got into a big argument. As the fight went on, a crowd of curious idle people collected around them. The crowd was divided into two groups, one speaking for the washerman and the other supporting the merchant. After some time, somebody suggested that they go to the village headman. The men liked the idea and reached the headman's house, followed by the crowd. The headman was a wise and just man who was trusted by the villagers. He heard all the matter and said, "It is all the fault of the donkey, so let us judge the donkey." After that, more people gathered in the courtroom. And finally, the headman spoke. "I cannot imagine how you believed I would judge a donkey for a mistake. Because you wanted to enjoy the scene." The headman continued, "You were not interested in ending the fight. You came to see two villagers fight." The people began to look down at their toes, embarrassed. Then the headman told to all the people, "You came to a show to be entertained, so as you leave, please pay for the ticket. Give the money to the guards. With that, the washerman will buy new clothes and buy himself a donkey, so he does not get tired. And from the money that is left, the merchant will buy a can of oil." Finally, the people handed money to the guards before they left, and the washerman was happy. The merchant was happy also. So, what we learned from the story? We must help people solve their problems, not watch them suffer, and treating everyone in a fair manner. Okay? All of you go through the story. Thank you. Have a good day.